When I look at the S&P 500, during that same period, it's been moving up. You can see that because it's driven up by just a few stocks. Remember, the NASDAQ, you only have to look at 10 stocks to get 50% of the whole index, which essentially is 50% of the whole market. So here we are coming into this corrective phase. We're in these last several weeks in here. I want you to read the note right in here. We had projected a minimum decline into August of 11% from the peak. It is revised now to 5.3 to 7.7. That is these levels right in here, the 38 and the 50 right there. And if it was crazy strong, only getting down here back to the 23, I really think that's a low probability. So we have this upward movement in here based on a very significant weighting in these mega cap stocks. When I look at the daily pattern in here, you can see those positive cycles. And this corrective phase right over here, you can see where they were both coming down right in there. And the same thing, I'm just going to duplicate that right in here. You can see that right there. And the question is, how is that going to shape up over here where you get the biggest potential declining phase right out over there? Is it going to happen now? Is it going to happen in this minor cycle right there? Note the minor cycle here, nothing on the downside. Stayed positive momentum. Minor cycle right in here, nothing on the downside really, stayed in positive momentum, and you can see we're still in positive momentum. Slim ribbon PO only giving a few signals because of the strength in the market, and that means there's been really no internal corrective moves as it stayed so strong. So very strong, moving up in here to the fib target zone. The next level right over there is at about 44.60. You have this level right up over here around 44, that's 44.62 or so on both. And that could be where it moves up to if the Fed drives it a little bit further on this Fed news, or it could give a lot of ground and begin to move down. This area down over here, that cycle low that you see, which is 42.33, that's already a long way down. I mean, it would have to break 160 something points just to get a clear breakdown in here. So there's a lot of air right up in here, and then we get into this corrective period. It should be steep, is what we're saying, and we'll see how, again, really important. Just now, in a very brief period, I'll be rendering and sending out this video by the time that news comes out. As I said, I couldn't wait because I have traveling to do, so I had to get this done earlier. So that's the S&P 500 entering into a period where it very likely will give us that correction, but less severe than originally anticipated.